All right, and let's wrap it up here with the stocks and the ETFs that you can trade around the Fed. So once we hear Ben Bernanke talk and the Fed decision come out, what are you watching? I'm watching gold. What are you watching? I'm
going to watch, obviously, gold and silver. Okay, I'm still short a little silver. You know, it had a nice pullback yesterday, you know, about 5, 6%, 7, 8% off those highs. You know, I took the bulk off, but I do think there's some more downside risk in silver. If they talk like they're going to support the dollar, you see a bounce in the dollar, I think we get another move lower in silver. I'll show you the SLV. I think, you know, we could ultimately get a move to at least the 10-day, which is 42, and some are even saying we could test a 20-day at 40. You know, so far we just caught these 2 days, and I think we're early, and there'll, you know, be a little bit more downside action to this area.
And the traders I talked to at the NYMEX say they're looking at, like, you know, 42, 44 as a level to go long. And then really quickly, let's just touch with banks. How would you be looking at banks around the Fed?
Right now, I just took a trade. 2 days ago, I talked about nibbling into support on JP Morgan and Wells Fargo. They had a little bit of an up day yesterday. Sometimes, if you're in an environment where interest rates could start to go higher, there's more business for the banks to do. And I keep trying to make excuses to buy these banks, and they keep, you know, hurting investors. But one of these days, they're going to turn around, especially if the economy does. So I'm long a little JP Morgan and Wells Fargo, but I'm not expecting anything blockbuster.
And then something that we were talking about yesterday really quick is that we were seeing a rotation sort of out of the high beta stocks and into the dividend-paying stocks. So interesting to see how that holds up around the Fed and Ben Bernanke. So that's it. That's it for us for today.
Yes.
Happy trading, everybody, this Wednesday.
Yes, make sure you follow us onto the virtual trading floor. We're going to have a lot of extra commentary because there's going to be a lot of different type of action as the results come out at 12:30, and then that press conference, I think, at 2:15. So make sure if you want more content, follow us onto the virtual trade floor in the chat, and have a great day trading, and we'll see you at the recap.